This was the old train trestle that ran across through the north end, and it continued right over there, and it actually ended up at Piercy's Building Supply down on Roby Street. It was sort of a sub-line that they had, sub-branch line, just for them to bring in their supplies and that in. Now it's kind of a trail, which is nice that they kept it. They couldn't really get rid of it as per se, because it kind of went over this overpass toward the bridge, and there was another overpass there that the bus just went down. So a big heavy steel thing. They probably could have got rid of it, but in the long run it's safer just to leave it up here. There was a lot of debate over that back in the day, but we just left it here. It's kind of cool. That was a union hall at one point. So, kind of a bit of history in the north end. Still pretty cool. Okay, so the train track that we're going to talk about and show you trestle. Now, it started down here, like here, which was the Volvo plant for many years. And it goes along this dotted line right here, and let's just see if we can scoot this over. It goes along this way here, and comes along this dotted line right here. It comes down here. As you can see, it ends here because they just show it as going into the park here. But there was actual another trestle here and another trestle here to go over the off-ramp and the on-ramp to the bridge. Now, there's Roby Street. We got to keep going down this way a little bit, because this way a little bit, and here it is right here. It picks up right here. So this is sort of like one of the trucks. And it was so they left it the trail right here, and it keeps on going down this way along the bottom side there, and over here. Now, right here, the trestle part where I'm showing you today, and I'm standing right here at the corner of Lady Hammond Road and the trestle, which is just Massachusetts Avenue here, which used to be called Roby Street Extension. But anyway, there it goes. So it went down under this overpass here. It doesn't go, and it went along this way. There's the rail bed right there, like I said, and it comes along here. There is another trestle here, an overpass trestle. They just left it there because they didn't want to take it down. They wanted it part of the the trail type of thing. And here, along of the backside, see it there because it got taken out, of course, over the years. And we keep going right up here. Keep on going. The Kemp Road comes to Yonge Street. So it did go over here, continued like right over here, because it was right there in this intersection. I'm trying to remember which side it was on. I can't remember. I'm thinking it was this side. I might be wrong. That's many, many years ago. Of course, they've taken it up from there. And we'll just zoom in here. And it went across here. And this is the Esso here. Used to be a Tim Hortons right here in the corner. It's since moved down here. Anyway, this never used to be here. So this used to come through here with the Kemp Road extension, join up right over here. So you can see it came right through here, and it followed that road. The way came down around this way, and lo and behold, you can see part of it right here. So they left some of the tracks in, and right here in this building, that's the big car lot now, used to be Piercy's, and Piercy's used to take up this whole area here, and they had a mill here. Was like extra storage in that, so all the wood and that would come in by train would come down at the waterfront pier via that rail bed. So that's what basically that rail bed is there for. That's pretty neat that that's still there. I mean, I can't see it from the road when I'm driving, but it's still there apparently. So I'm just going to zoom. We're down here by Shoppers Drug Mart is now. And so like I said, it came up this way, came up to Kent Road. And I don't mind the squeaking because my puppy's playing. And it kept on going up by Massachusetts, right over there, and up and down around. And eventually, it ended up, like I said, keep going around and around and around. And it ended up down here at Pier 9. So, abandoned rail area. And now back to the trestle.